Hello everyone, this is video for grade 2 subject EVS. So in the previous video we have discussed about, we have started our fifth chapter, clothes we wear. So let's revise what we have discussed first. Okay, so we have discussed the different seasons. There are three different seasons: summer, winter and monsoon. Okay, so in the different season we wear different type of clothes. Okay, in the summer season we wear the cotton clothes. Why we choose the cotton clothes in the summer season? Because they keep our body cool and they absorb the sweat easily. That's why cotton clothes we are wearing in the summer season. You can see in the picture some summer clothes are in the image. Now jute, we have discussed about the jute. Jute is a plant and various type of things which is made from the jute. Okay, so this is jute plant and this is jute. The various things which is made from the jute, that is rope, gunny bag, shoulder bag and handbags, which are made up of the jute plant. Now we have discussed about the silk. Okay, how we getting the silk cloth? With the help of silkworm. We are collecting silk thread from the silkworm. Okay, so this is the silk cloth. These all are silkworms which is live in cocoon. After removing the cocoon, they started into threading and they will start the cocoon. After removing the cocoon, the thread will be collected by the human beings and human beings will make the silk cloth from this cocoon. Okay, so now what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the winter clothes. We wear woolen clothes in the winter. Why we are woolen clothes we are in the winter? Because it keeps us warm. वो हमें क्या करता है? गर्मी देने में help करता है. Then we also wear leather clothes in the winter. Okay, so which type of clothes we wearing in the winter? Woolen clothes. Why? Because it keeps us warm. वो हमें गर्मी देने में क्या करेगा? Help करेगा. Okay, so you can see the picture of winter clothes. You can see the sweaters. These all are made up of wool. Okay, now where the wool is coming from? Okay, so first wool is coming from the body of sheep. वो किससे मिलता है? शिप की जो बॉडी होती है उस पे जो hairs होते हैं, collected by the human beings and they will prepare the woolen clothes from that fur or hair. You can see the one man is removing. Okay, so you can see in the picture that one man is removing the wool from the sheep. That wool is collected and making the woolen clothes. Now talking about the leather. Okay, we also wear a leather clothes in the winter season. How? We get leather from the skin of dead animals. जो dead animals हैं, we collected the dead animal skins and making the leather. You can see the leather jacket and the leather. So we get the leather from the skin of the dead animals. Leather is also used to make belts, jackets and shoes. You can see some bags are made up of leather jacket. This is leather jackets and this is the bag which is made up of leather things. Okay, so we have discussed about the leather thing. Leather is coming from the skin of dead animals. Leather is also used to make belts, jackets and shoes. You can see the leather jackets and leather bags. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the monsoon seasons. Okay, so we wear waterproof. Waterproof मतलब जो water से हमें बचाता है, water से हमें गीला होने से बचाता है. That is known as waterproof. We wear a waterproof clothes when it rains. They prevent us from the getting wet. वो हमें क्या करेगा? गीला होने से बचाता है. So we can wear a raincoat in the monsoon season. Okay, these type of clothes you can see in the image we are wearing in the monsoon season. Or else they prevent us. Prevent मतलब protect करता है. Protect from the getting wet in the monsoon season. So we have discussed three seasons. Summer seasons. In the summer seasons we are wearing the cotton clothes. winter season we are wearing a woolen clothes, and monsoon we wearing the waterproof clothes. Thank you.